What's inside us? What's inside us? Hopefully a truck for our highness. What's inside me? I am big and square. Maybe it's a monkey or a teddy bear, but you won't know until you pull my bow in the early hours of tomorrow. What's inside me? What's inside me? Hopefully a watch, or maybe a TV. What's inside us? What's inside us? Hopefully a truck for our highness.
What's inside of me? I'm a different shape. Maybe I'm a bong, maybe I'm a vape. But it's possible that I'm a toy hospital or a Rubik's Cube. That shit's impossible.
What's inside me? What's inside me? Hopefully a watch, maybe a TV. What's inside us? What's inside us? Hopefully a truck for our highness.
What's inside me? I'm getting worried. You could call me greedy, but I really have to see. I don't understand why I feel this tickle. It kind of sort of feels like a vibrating pickle.
What's inside me? What's inside me? Hopefully a watch, or maybe a TV. What's inside